In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create marketing emails using the drag and drop editor in HubSpot. If you want to design professional emails without touching a single line of code, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Whether you're creating a newsletter, promotion, announcement, or welcome email, HubSpot makes it incredibly simple. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, select Email. This is where all of your marketing emails are managed. You'll see a dashboard that shows previously created emails if you have any. To create a new email, look at the top right corner and click the Create Email button. HubSpot will then ask you what type of email you want to create. Choose the regular marketing email option to use the drag and drop editor. Next, you'll be taken to the template selection screen. HubSpot provides a wide variety of pre-built templates that are fully customizable. You'll see options like announcement, newsletter, promotion, and welcome email. Each of these templates is already structured for a specific purpose, which saves you a lot of time. Go ahead and select any template that matches your goal. Don't worry too much about the design at this stage, because everything can be customized inside the editor. Once you select a template, click Use Template to open the drag and drop builder. Now you're inside the visual editor. This is where the magic happens. On the left side, you'll see different content modules that you can drag directly into your email layout. These modules include images, text blocks, buttons, social icons, dividers, logos, video previews, and footers. To edit existing content, simply click on any section in the email preview. You can type directly into text areas, change fonts, adjust alignment, modify colors, and update spacing. If you want to add something new, just drag a module from the left panel and drop it exactly where you want it to appear in the layout. For example, if you want to add a call to action, drag in a button module. Then customize the button text, link, color, and alignment. If you want to add an image, drag the image module into place and upload your file or select one from your HubSpot file manager. You can also rearrange sections by clicking and dragging them up or down. This makes it extremely easy to experiment with different layouts until your email looks exactly how you want it. As you build your email, make sure to personalize the subject line and preview text to the top. These are critical for improving open rates. You can even use personalization tokens to automatically insert a contact's first name or other details. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to preview your email. At the top right, click Preview to see how your email will look on desktop and mobile devices. This is very important because many users open emails on their phones. You can also click Send Test Email to send a test version to yourself or your team. Always test before sending to your full list so you can double-check formatting, links, and overall appearance. When everything looks good, click Next to move to the sending options. Here you'll choose your recipient list, set the subject line if you haven't already, and configure any additional settings, like scheduling. Finally, you can either send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Once you hit Publish or Send, your marketing email will be delivered to your selected audience. And that's it. That's exactly how to create marketing emails using the drag and drop editor in HubSpot. As you can see, the process is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and extremely powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.